Welcome back, everybody. I was very excited to come home and find this giant box from FedEx waiting for me. It's got a spooky surprise from our friend, patron, and subscriber H&M Sylvester. I've been talking with her for a while, and she has been threatening to send me this art piece, I guess, that she's been working on. And of course I said, no, please don't send me anything. I don't like presents, don't want presents. Please don't send anything to me. But she did anyway, so it's here. And if anyone else wanted to send anything to me, well, no, please don't. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this and see what it is. I'm very excited. I've been looking forward to it since, I think, June or even maybe earlier. So let's see. Here we go. It is something in another bit of packaging. Of course, taped to the box again. Looks like we've got several pieces of bubble wrapped items here. Let's go ahead and open them in order. This appears to be some sort of black leaf garland, and it's got a battery box on it. No batteries in it, so we'll take care of that in a bit. There we go. Let's put that aside here for the moment. Whoops. Oh, actually, little black bag here. Does it contain batteries? Maybe. No, it's got some little hooks. I like this little black bag. Black light bulbs. You can never have enough of those. If you watched my walkthrough video the other day, of course, black lights feature prominently in my displays, both inside and outside. So I assume this will go with this, but I can always use those. All right, a couple more pieces here. Wrapped in paper. It is a decorative, looks like a coaster. I love the artistic design of this. It kind of reminds me too of one of those Rorschach tests, is that what it is? Where you kind of look at it and like, what is in there? What do you see? Another one. So clearly these are going to be excellent for my party, so people can put their drinks not on my Halloween furniture. Another one. And a fourth one. Very cool. All right. Got something else here. Oh, is there an envelope? There's an envelope in that big one. I probably should have opened that first, but I didn't see it till now. Since we're already halfway through, let's finish opening this up. Uh-oh, it's glitter. Happy haunting. It's very glittery. Thank you so much. But I do love it. I love how that's reverse cut with the haunting. That is beautiful. No. All right, we've got a page here. What does it say? Halloween greetings. The story behind toxic tendrils. I was on my way to your party, but never showed up. I stopped at a carnival just out of town. I was at the concession stand when the toxic barrels leaked. The snow cone machine exploded into the candy apple syrup. All I saw was a toxic, sticky mess. Then the spiders showed up. I've been painting only a couple of years. I usually do photography, so I included a print of our local haunted cemetery. If nothing else, I hope I've sent a conversation piece. Thanks for all of the work you put into your videos. They are so much fun. Holly. Thank you so much, Holly. That's beautiful. I even love this stationery. All right, so guessing that is this. Let's see. The print of the local cemetery. Oh, it's very desolate and spooky. The black and white image is fantastic. All right, it is time for the pièce de résistance. Let's see. Oh my gosh. It matches the coasters. I think I have it upside down. Do I have it upside down? Give me just a moment to finish pulling out this paper. There we go. So I was a little confused by the hook at the bottom, but I assume that is to hold the happy haunting sign. Go, and then the garland can be draped all around it, and got some black light bulbs, so I don't know if it's going to glow in the dark too, but wow, let's take a closer look at this. So it's I really love that Holly has incorporated a lot of my Halloween themes throughout the year. Of course, I love decorating with spiders. I think they're always the most perfect spooky Halloween decoration. And she mentioned the toxic barrels that I've been using for years in my display. It's kind of always what has prompted whatever's happening in my haunt outside. It's the crazy toxic barrels have brought something to life, and that's why something creepy is happening. And of course, this year, I'm having my carnival. So it's the carnival and the toxic ooze that the story depicts there. But look at that. You've got those skeletons, or the skulls coming through the toxic ooze. That is beautiful. Amazing. All right, I'm going to get this hung up somewhere on the wall, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see what that looks like in action. And then, of course, I'm going to have to find a suitable frame for this so we can have it hanging somewhere here in my room so I can look at it year-round, because I absolutely love that. Thank you so much, Holly. That was very thoughtful of you to send this to me. Love that. Happy haunting. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you again, Holly, for this amazing gift. I can't imagine the time it took you to put this together, and I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, till next time, everyone, take care and happy haunting.